This is the Quarter 2 quarterly review for the Equity Committee here at East Gardner Elementary School. Our InderStar indicator is A.1.07. All teachers employ effective classroom management and reinforce classroom rules and procedures by positively teaching them. The Equity Committee has been hard at work making sure that we get our important conversations started. So far, these are some of our tasks up to date. In the first quarter, we sent out a survey to assess staff preferences on equity training. We gathered resources and activities in preparation for staff trainings and conversation, and we requested time to conduct those trainings as a whole staff. This past quarter, we have completed the I Am poem with the staff. We conducted the privilege beat activity with staff members during a staff meeting in our breakout sessions. We launched our Google site to host our equity resources. If you haven't gotten a chance to check it out, you definitely should. It's tinyurl.com/equity-eges. We also are planning some morning sessions for mini equity conversations. And we've sent out our first article in our series of monthly discussion articles. That article and discussion questions can be used to start a conversation in your PLT or any other small group of staff members. That article is also available on our equity site. So, what are our next steps? So we will continue to schedule time for staff equity activities, trainings, and conversations. We will continue to provide the staff with articles to read and discuss in their teams or other small groups.